Hello and welcome everyone or welcome back. Today we are going to see parts of a sentence. As you already know, sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. If you have not watched that video, you can go through the link I have provided in the description box. Okay, so let's begin. A complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject tells who or what the sentence is about. For example, Sam drank a glass of water. Who is this sentence about? This sentence is about Sam. Therefore, Sam is the subject here. The second part of the sentence is predicate. Predicate tells what is said about the subject. For example, the peacock is a beautiful bird. Which part of this sentence shows what is said about the subject? Is a beautiful bird. Therefore, is a beautiful bird is predicate here. Birds are beautiful creatures. What's the subject here? Birds. Why? Because the sentence is about birds. And what is said about the subject? Are beautiful creatures. So, here predicate is are beautiful creatures. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.